Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Editor X on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix, if of course you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see, here on the side, we have in the bottom left corner all of your sites, which you can check out and pop up like this. We have your home setup, we have your the design site settings and everything in one place. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Editor X on Wix. So when you go to the site that you want to use, for instance, I'm going to go to this one, and here you are in your editor. So here you can go click on plus to add elements. You can of course click there to go and find some elements which you can go and drag in, of course, to go and use them. So for instance, you can go and take this heading. You can also go and of course delete it if you want. You have of course your pages and menu, add section, site design, add apps. You have my business, media, CMC. So, and when you of course finish with your editing, you can go and save your site, preview your site to see how it looks. And of course, at the end, you can go and publish your site from the Editor X option. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.